What is that? Is that your new tractor? Whew. Did Aunt Jane get that for you? And Pat and Ellen? You like that one? Where'd you go?
Bye-bye. Is it going bye-bye? It's running off, huh, Bubba?
Where's it going? All right, put it under the tree. Can you park it? There it goes. It's taking off now. Come back. Come back and see us. You got some new shoes on? Look pretty sharp. Thank you. Uh-oh. Can you say thank you, Aunt Jane? And can you say thank you, Ellen and Pat? William. Well, Merry Christmas anyway. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye.
There it goes.
Wave bye-bye.
Let go. Let go so it'll go on its own.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go of it.
So let go. Let go. See? There. It goes by itself.
What happened to Chicky Train?
Push it. Push it down. Push it. There you go. Now
There it goes.
There goes the train.
There goes its train.
Yeah. It's not a tractor, it's a train right now. There it goes.
There it goes. Oh. Push the button again.
Stop.
It stopped. That's right.
Push the button.
Push the button.
Honk.
Honk,
Uh-huh.
honk.
Take this in there.
I don't think he comes out, Bubba.
Yeah, he comes out.
Oh, what's wrong? I think that.
Yeah. He's just stuck in there good. He's going for a ride under the Christmas tree. All right. Will, wave bye-bye.
Bubba, can you look
Will,
at it and go?
wave bye-bye. Bye.